Alright, hello, welcome back to Creations by Kim. I have my grandson, Gkid number 2 is what we're going to call him. And he has decided he wants to do a tritone. He liked my tritone colors. I'll put a link in the description or up in the corner to that other video so you can see what he saw and liked and everything. But he wants to fill up a cup. But he wants to fill up a cup and do a flip cup and everything with these colors. I have apple barrel ivory. I have apple barrel nutmeg and apple barrel light mocha. And these are mixed with Floetrol. Let's see, Floetrol for the medium. And let's see. Alright, figure out which one we're going to put in here first. I think we're going to go with this one. You want me to just layer them up?
And then the darker.
Are you going to flip it for me? You're going to flip? See how brave I am?
Next is the Acrylic.
The what? You think this one looks like poop? Well, I guess kinda. Depends on if you ate any prunes or not. Is that it? Do another layer. Oops, I just got my hand all covered in paint there. Some more poop in here, is that it? And then you want me to just flip it over? Is that what we're going to do? Alright. Are you flipping it? Okay, we're going to put it on there and then hold it on like a lid, okay? Are you sure? Do you want me to do it? I got canvas, but I don't, I forgot you're left-handed. Okay, try to put it in the middle. And now hold it real tight to it and flip it over. Oh, very good. See, I worried for nothing.
That helps it
Give it
cool out faster. Come on, hit it with another one.
Hit it with another one. Well, we want to let it kind of run down a hair. Yeah, it's kind of sliding it. Alright, you ready? You want to do it? You want me to do it or you don't do it? Ooh. Oh, before it runs off. Make some drippies across here. My table is still crooked. Okay, any parts?
Like a super villain.
It does. That looks like a face right there. See if we can get it close up on the camera. That does look interesting. Do you want to try to save that part?
He's turning.
Like a chocolate outer space?
Yeah. Flip it over. Flip it over. Wait.
Do what?
Do like this.
Oh, let it run in circles. Alright, you like that? Do I need to tilt it back to the middle side?
Did you sit it down?
Set it down?
If you
Oh, it got real
look
thin
at
over
it
here.
Sideways. Wait. Oh no.
Hey, be careful with the edges because you got a picture on the edge too. Whoop.
Look, it looks like a submarine.
Oh.
I'll give you those after this.
Yeah. Well, if you get done, you won't need people. Okay, now what you do is you're gonna scoop your finger or what's on your finger. See where it's dry on the corner, and then you just kind of touch it up. And if you go on the edge, make sure that it's got the canvas is covered all the way around. Even right here. And then, is that good? You want to touch it up any more?
It's good.
Alright. Let's see, did we get the corners all covered? Alright, I guess we will touch it up and go from there. You satisfied? Alright.
Cool.
Well, thanks for joining us on Creations by Kim. Don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and share buttons, and we'll see you next time. Bye!